Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Another week is here for sinking funds cash stuffing, and I'll just get right to it. I'll be stuffing £60 today. So let's count this first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That there. And then I'll take this out, make it much more easier to get to the envelopes. And I'll turn this around. Okay, I think we're set. We're set. I'm going to get wooden dice out. Today we're using a wooden dice. And first of all, let me just tell you what monies I have taken out. For spending, I have taken out £10 for spending. I'm going to take that out, put that there. I didn't take anything out for hair. No, I didn't take anything out for hair. Last week I did, I had to take out for the henna, so that's out. So I've still got great some money in here. Going out, I spent all my £25, and for my hobbies I have spent £30. My hobbies, and I haven't spent anything out of my well-being. No. Right, so that's that. Let's get started then. 5, that's hair. Oh, 5 again, hair. 6, that's spending. 1, that's going out. 1 again, going out. It's not bad. 1 again. Oh. Okay, I suppose that's just an encouragement to get me out. But I'll bear that in mind, definitely. 2, we've got hobbies. 1, wow, going out. I promised myself to walk longer distances, and I will be starting that up shortly. I may even document it on video. 2, that is hobbies. I need to get some new savings challenges, so I'm glad that hobbies is building up. 4, we've got well-being. That's good. Well-being. 2, hobbies. And we've got 1 more. 5, that's hair. Lovely. Okay, So Labour didn't get anything, but still got all its money. Let's have a look, see what Labour's got. It should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. Should have 130. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. Oh, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35. That's not bad. 135. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. Okay. And then spending now has 15. Hair has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Going out now has 5, 10, 15, 20. Hobbies now have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And well-being has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's good. So that's that for another week. Sinking funds. Oops. That goes to the front. Another week of sinking funds, and that went really well today. Happy with that. Really happy. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and have a good day. Bye for now. Bye.